that what you call B-roll?
Yeah. What you know about a B-roll footage, bud? Alright, so we went to Whole Foods last night and I wanted to show you guys what we got. But first, I'm going to sip my coffee that our Airbnb guest bought us with. First thing we bought is this Better Half Creamer. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but my girlfriend wanted to try it because she hasn't really found a cream substitute for coffee. So first we got this jalapeno hummus. We're not really going to try everything here, but like throughout the day I'm going to try stuff. Like we're putting this on the bagels that we got. Nothing really special about this, but I've just never seen jalapeno hummus before, so I wanted to give it a burn. Next we got this smoked Gouda, Follow Your Heart, or Earth Island. Pretty sure it's called Earth Island in Canada. These are like the slices. Never tried this, but heard really good things from other people online, so we're pretty fired up to try these on our Sandies. Most fired up for this guy here, Kite Hill. The owner of Crossroads Kitchen in LA owns this company, named Tal Ronan. It's a plant-based chef. These are all like almond-based cheeses, so this is a cream cheese spread. It's chive style. Pretty fired up, and I have that breakfast now actually. And then the last thing we got, this is kind of like a mini haul, bologna slices, so I wanted to try that out. Never really been a fan of bologna when I was like a kid, but I really like the bologna youth slices. They're my favorite ones, so I thought these ones would be good. Try that one out for lunch with the hummus. Alright, so we got a bagel here, fresh out of the oven. Smells like Philadelphia. It's pretty good. Now we're gonna fire up this bagel here. Ideally you toast the bagel, but pretty good. These are the buns we got.
Your face.
Unreal. Probably like top 5 best sandwiches I've ever had in my life. Okay, so we went back to Whole Foods, got some more stuff before we left Portland. These are things that kind of we didn't want to eat at the time. So yeah, got Miyoko's matzah. They don't actually sell it at Whole Foods, so we had to go to this other natural store called Louis. Pretty cool spot. I'd recommend it if you're in Portland. And then we went back to that bakery like 3 times, and we got more sandwich bread. And then we also wanted to try Light Life. We love their smoked tempeh, and it's just the veggie bologna. Should be pretty good. The tofurkey one was really good. And then we got like 4 packages of the Beyond Burger, because why not? And tried to get the Beyond Sausage, but apparently they're sold out. Okay, so like I said, we bought this Miyoko's mozzarella. Pretty cool, it's a matzo ball. So we're gonna make a pizza pie. So I made this quick dough here. It's just flour, 00 flour, instant yeast, water, pretty easy. And it's been resting for a while. So I'm just gonna bake it on here. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to to 450. This is cornmeal. I like to put cornmeal on the base instead of like oil. Gets that nice crunch, you know? Cornmeal's cheap, so you can go pretty heavy on it. You just kind of get a nice even coating, just like that. Then Mario shows up. Hey Mario, how's it going? Okay, so I'm just going to stretch out the dough. You get your hands underneath like that, and you're sort of pulling it away. You kind of want to work with the edges first. And you're never going to get it to a perfect circle, but I like to get it into these. It's called the grandma pie when it's a rectangle like this. I think that's what they call it. I'm just kind of stretching it with my fingers here. There's a little hole there, but I wouldn't worry about it, you know. It's all going to taste the same. We've been stewing this away all day on the pot. I just put it in this reusable bottle, just easy access. It might look like a store-bought one, but trust me, this took weeks, months to make. So you just squirt some of that on, just like that. So you get a ladle like this, a nice big surface. You can use a spoon, but I find this is just way easier. Just to get a nice even coating. You want to go right to the edge, you know. This isn't Pizza Hut, we're not stuffing that crust. Our San Manzano tomatoes smell pretty good. There you go, just like that. Alright? And you put that in the sink. And then you hit it with a little bit of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning, shout out to No Name. Now we're going to hit it with the miocos. Wow, it smells pretty good. I'm going to give one just a little rip here. Definitely doesn't have the texture, like that pulley kind of plastic texture that mozzarella has, but it's pretty good. Pretty good flavor. Now I'm just gonna like kind of, you know. Or you can go back to Whole Foods. You can grab some Smart Deli. What's smart about it? No animals were harmed in this deli slice. So I'm just adding some triangles on. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes. She's pretty thin, so it won't take very long. Okay there, bud. So this is what you need with the pizza. You need to get a pizza cutter. It's very hard to find a good pizza cutter. This one isn't very good, but I can find that they're never sharp enough. But you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, that was pretty brutal, but let's give it a burn here. Look at that cheese. It's almost like we're at Pizza Hut here. All the grease on that cheese. Mmm. Nothing better than homemade crust, I'll tell you that much. Alright, so that was my Whole Foods mini haul. It was just a little guy today, but maybe there'll be another one in the future. I don't know. Comment below if you like these kind of videos. We did buy the Beyond Burgers. That'll be in another reaction video. We'll see some meat eaters' reaction, see if they believe it or not. So yeah, hope you like it. Hope you comment. Hope you definitely subscribe for more videos. I mean, they're pretty funny. I don't take this very seriously. So if you don't take life very seriously, then you should definitely subscribe, because there'll be tons more videos in the future. Hope you have a great day, folks.